what exactly Power Automate will do? It's automating your daily routine
Sir,
jobs.
its the previous name is Softomotive also. Am I right?
No, it's a Microsoft Flow.
No, no. So I think Microsoft has purchased from these things called different company, right? Means they
Correct, 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 correct,
so
correct.
they did not like that created by self.
Yes,
They purchased from this thing called company called Softomotive. Am I right?
correct, correct, correct.
So
And
you
one
got
more thing is, and see, the thing is, Power Automate, okay, fine. And one more thing, just hold on, guys. Okay, sorry for the interruptions. Okay, so what exactly Power Automate will do? It's automate your repetitive tasks, whatever you are daily doing. For example, I hope everybody are in the working professional, right? So you are handling hundreds emails in through Outlook or through what are the portals you have. Because if customer sending some informations, basically we are storing some data or we are copying the data in somewhere. After that, you are doing some data cleaning. Then finally, you are consolidate one file. Then again, you are sending those information to customers or whoever it is. For this flow, right? I mean, if you are spending 20 30 minutes of time for these particular activities, Power Automate can help you to automate the entire process. This is the Power Automate with simple English. Guys, I hope you are understanding what is Power Automate.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Next, why use Power Automate? Okay, I mean, the market, we have a number of automation tools are available. Why Power Automate? See, Power Automate, it's a Microsoft platform. This already everybody knows, right? So, if you are using other platform, right? So, we have a number of automations. If you are using those platform, you have to, if you want to connect any SQL server or anything, it's Microsoft product. So, it's very difficult, or you will face kind of challenges. But when you are using Power Automate, it's a Microsoft product, as I said earlier. You can connect Outlook, you can connect through Gmail. I mean, you can connect with Power BI, you can connect with your SharePoint, you can connect with your OneDrive, you can connect with SQL Server, because everything is a Microsoft product. It's a kind of Microsoft Dynamic 365, right? Then coming to our topics, why use Power Automate? The first benefit is automate. I mean, we can automate the repetitive tasks. Already I given one example. Then reduce the human error and improves efficiency and enhance collaboration between application and teams. And one important thing is save time and effort. Maybe I will tell you currently, as I said earlier, right? I'm working as a digital transformation and automation role. Basically, what I will do, I will understand the requirement from business team, what exactly they are expect or they are doing. Maybe I will quickly tell you one of the interesting case studies. Okay, so I don't want to tell later on. I mean, right away I will tell you. So recently we are doing one of agent onboarding. Okay, so what basically the current, I mean, I will tell you the current situations. Agent will those information about their name, contact numbers, and their address. I mean, they have certain demographic data. After that, our team, okay, our company team will take that. I mean, they will send it in through email. They will just each and every column they will copy it and they are storing in OneDrive. I mean, the SharePoint folder. After that, they are sending, I mean, once they are updated, again they are updating the same information into SAP. Okay, then SAP, once I mean, in customer information they are uploading all the information, then they are submitting, I mean, they are enrolling. Finally, the indication should be, yes, this one of the agent is onboarded by today for this activity, right? Just imagine you for this activity, they are spending almost 61 hour of time, 60 to 70 minutes. Okay, because they are collecting the information, they are updating in SharePoint as well as they are updating into SAP. So, I mean, this should not happen any error. The thing is, if you are doing any error, then the future transaction may will affect, right? So, for this activity, only experienced people they are doing this activity within. I mean, currently they are taking 60 minutes. Now, what exactly currently we are doing? I mean, this is a live project. What I am doing. Okay. So I have created the BRD, I mean the business requirement document, what we can do for the automations using Power Automate. So the thing is what Power Automate exactly will do. When customer sending the information, right? Power Automate will pick those important column name. I mean exactly what we want, customer name and email address, phone number. So those information we will collect it through Power Automate, and automatically it will populate OneDrive, I mean the SharePoint folder, as well as it automatically will automate to, I mean populate to SAP. Once if you are updating it to SAP, then automatic notification will go to respective customers along with business users through Power Automate. So the 60 minutes of jobs now we are automated within just, I think currently it's taking 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not sure exactly. 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, I hope your understand my case study is what currently I'm doing. Do you have any questions? Don't hesitate to ask questions, please.
Yes. So how those applications are intersynced with each other? Like you are updating the information at one place, but how it is connected to the other one, like
Yeah,
SAP.
okay. The thing is, we are building the flow. I mean, even Power BI, I mean, Power Automate have some limitation as well based on the license. Okay. If you are I will tell you when you are using some license based on that, it will work. So if you have a premium license, maybe I will show you what is the cost and all. But we should create the workflow. That is very important. Okay, then coming to types of Power Automate, we have three different types of flows. One is cloud flows, then desktop. I mean, desktop nothing but developer portal. Okay, it's through RPA, robotics process automations. Then business process flow. This is kind of structure workflows for the process consistency. So we are using, I mean, currently we are using business process workflows for the Power Automate. Then coming to key components of workflow, first one is trigger the, I mean, when given to start, then what is the actions? Then we have to write the conditions. Okay, then what simple input, your workflow, then output. This is the three key components very important when you are using Power Automate. That is very important. So where you will get more challenges, the workflow, right? If you have one, if you want to integrate one system, it's very easy. It's straightforward. Okay. For example, if you want to stretch the data from Excel, it's simple. But if you want to get some data from Excel, Outlook email or Outlook and or OneDrive or some other platform, then you have to work on that workflow along with the logic. That is a conditions. Once if you are satisfied those things, then you will get the output flow. For example, when email is received, that is first trigger, right? Then store the attached in OneDrive. That is the action. Maybe that is the workflow. Finally, send the notification to end user, a respective owner. That is the output. Okay. Then building simple workflow. Okay. I mean, this is one of example. Automating email notification when new file is uploaded to OneDrive. So again, we can just imagine we have three pillars. One is input, one is workflow, one is output. Now just you can imagine if you want to automate the simple workflow through automation of email notification, what you will do. So get the input, okay, and we will drive the workflow. What condition, I mean, what logic we have to do. See, based on the notification, based on the data, what we want to achieve. Finally, it's output, right? So then actions and save, and finally we have to do the testing. Okay, then we have a different type of connectors. So we can connect Microsoft 365. Maybe the Power Automate can connect Outlook, SharePoint, Teams data, everything. Then third-party apps like Twitter, Salesforce, Dropbox. So these are the third-party application Power Automate can connect. Then database, coming to database, we can connect Azure Storage, SQL Server, SQL Server, then Oracle. Then use cases. I mean, coming to these use cases, maybe I have explained, right, what exactly currently I'm doing. This is what I'm trying to say. And one important thing is in Power Automate, when you are kickstart something, right, when you are developing something, you have to know what is the business requirement. That is very, very important when you are driving any Power Automate projects. Okay, even simple or intermediate or complex, whatever it is, you have to know the business objective mainly. So without business objective, maybe you cannot touch. Maybe I will tell you one more case studies. Okay, this is one of another project. So my agent, okay, currently I'm working as a shipping industries. My agent will tell you the shipping from Chennai to Kochi. Okay, so I want ship some goods from Chennai to Kochi. So they will send you the cost along with all related information. How, so what is the containers number? So what is the ship name? Who is the captain? How, so is there any when port going to, when ship going to start, when ship going to reach? So who will pick the those materials? So customer, I mean, my agent will send me the entire informations. Okay, so after that, what we have to do, once if they are sent it, right, we have to upload those document into one government websites, okay, for the background things. But here one of the challenges, we need their signatures. Okay, but they are sending the data through Word, I mean Microsoft Excel format, but we have to convert into Word, because the hello. So whoever not speaking, please mute yourself. Manoj Kumar. Manoj. Manoj, can you unmute yourself? Okay, thank you. So again I am retraining. So they are sending information through Excel, but user, I mean, as a Power Automate developer, I have to convert it to Word document. I need, so currently what we are doing, once if they are sending the information, we are manually entering the information in Microsoft Word. Then again, we are sending those documents to my agent. Okay, what they will do, once they are verified, they are put the signature one somewhere. Okay, we have one signature tab. They are putting their signature, and then they are taking the copy, then resending. Then again, we are uploading into respective government portal. So this is the process. I mean, you don't believe me, for this activity, they are doing 2 days, because we have to follow with the agent, we have to communicate properly, right? So they have to available that particular time. We are working multiple countries. Okay. So what the solution we are provided? I mean, this is 2 days back. I have given the solutions. Once they are sending those informations, Power Automate will read what are the main information if they are required. Then it will populate into Microsoft Word documents. like a container name, ship name, what is the vessels. So
Man,
whatever.
can you show me some like the normal workflow? Can you create for us? Can you show me?
That's what again. This is my. I mean, unfortunately, I mean, in my laptop. I mean, my personal laptop is have some technical issue. That's why I've joined through my personal laptop. I totally understand because I'm also explaining that project whatever I'm doing. But in my current
So
laptop,
man, if you not go for showing these things to practical things, so how like the theory, it's not. I think in RP 100% practice is there, right?
correct. So again, this is okay. I totally understand that here is I'm explaining in AllPro training helping
So when
what
you
is
show
Power
the
Automate, how
yes,
how
yes,
it
I
is
got a
going to
power
work.
automate. So how when you will show these things for practical things, practical matlab like get Microsoft Power Automate your workflow, your like get all these things,
Mm.
functions and like get the actions.
Okay, I will do one thing.
Sorry
Maybe,
to disturb here. Sorry again. Mr. Naveen, can you please let the trainer continue the flow because he's explaining something very, very important and which is, perfectly suited for us. We will see the things later, but let him continue what he's explaining, please.
Yes, it's fine, but I'm asking when you saw that particular thing, so practical part.
yeah,
The
don't worry.
practical, one second. The practical sections, if you want, you can join the workshop. This is a 1 hour webinar. So maximum trainer want to cover all the topic for all of them who joined. So that
Tomorrow,
is why he's
tomorrow,
going.
right?
Yeah, yeah. If
Okay,
you want, you take the workshop, but he want to
okay.
continue that all those things now.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, see, sorry, I
Please
forget
continue,
about.
sir. Continue. You are
Yeah.
explaining something very good.
Yes.
Very, I mean, very nice. Yes.
Okay, fine. So, okay, now what that automation is done. Okay. So whatever the information they are sending right through email, even Microsoft, I mean, they are sending in Excel format, is a standard format. So the Power Automate it's working, capturing those information, important, very important informations from the Excel sheet. It's automatically reading. Okay, then automatically it's populated into Microsoft Word. Okay, then that once Power Automate, once the build the Microsoft Word document, automatically that notifications, which means that file, consolidate file, it goes to respective my agents through email. Okay, once they are verified, they will put some signature, right? So when they are sending the once when they are putting the signature, here the challenge is they are taking the some JPG, they are sending the output sheet through PNG and JPG format. Okay, it's not a Word format. Again, we are the challenge, one of the challenges. So again, what I exactly Power Automate done, what are the format they are sharing, just you can capture only the signature and replace, I mean put it into Word document, then you can convert into PDF. Okay, then finally you can store it into one, I mean the SharePoint folder. You don't upload into customer, I mean the respective government website, but you can store it into SharePoint folder. So finally end user what exactly will do, once it's done, it's once the final file populated into SharePoint, user will get the notification. After that, the business user will go to that SharePoint once, I mean, just quick minutes, just 1 minute of quick verifications. Once everything is fine, they are uploading into respective government portal. So for 3 days activity, you don't believe me, we are automated into within 20 minutes. So this is, like that I have, maybe currently I'm doing a lot of 20, 25 projects, so multiple projects. Okay. But again, people say I don't have that, the company laptop. If I have, definitely I can show. Okay. Because my personal laptop, I cannot use my official things. Don't worry. And give me maybe after 2 to 3 days, definitely, maybe once I back to office, definitely I will share the workflows and you will easily will understand. Okay. Then coming to cost and license, as I said earlier, right? So we have free, I mean, Power Automate is free, but we have limited automations. Per user plan, we have $15 per user per month. Okay, we can create unlimited flows. And we have one more license for per flow plans. I mean, $100 flow per month. Then finally, we have Power Automate RPA started $40 per user per month. And okay, this is again one of case studies. I mean, this general case studies. Okay, I think that's all. I mean, this is the basic thing only I have explained. Okay, so now maybe you can ask what are the queries you have, or you can type it in the chat box. But if you give some other time or somebody join the
Yes.
workshop, definitely I
So
can build lot of real case studies in my laptop.
yes, sir. So can I ask the question right now?
Yeah, please, Naveen.
Yes. So first of all, I want to ask this question that you told right now that $5, $15, I think that is the cost of the work program, right?
$15, yes.
Yes, and you saw on these things called $40 also. So there is a three things, $40, $15, something is. So can you please explain all these things into detail like that? As a user, suppose that I'm a person of these things called I'm a client. So if I'm going to start in the like the UiPath, we have a UiPath, okay. So
Okay,
if I want to start, so yearly, what is the package for one these things called one bot, one license, how much I have to pay? So can you explain this, please?
okay, fine. So if you are working experienced people, maybe what I will recommend is, obviously everybody will tie up with Microsoft. I believe because everybody, even in my industry, as per my knowledge, everybody are time with their Microsoft partners. Okay,
Hmm.
so don't work out. I mean, don't look at these numbers. Okay, so what you can do, you can ask per user plan, like in $15 per month, right? You can create unlimited workflows. Okay, which means you can create a number of workflows within Power Automate. Maybe you can connect multiple database and I mean multiple things you can do. Maybe I will recommend in the I mean the first license, Naveen.
So can you show me that PPT you've shown me, am I right? So
Okay, just hold on. Maybe just now close it.
so that will be $180 per year, am I right? As per you,
Yeah.
per
Yes,
year.
correct. Yeah, per year. But no, per month. But
No,
that's what you
just
don't you yeah,
yes,
just
yes.
hold on. I will share the screen. Because they are telling $15, but when you are tie up with Microsoft, right? This is not a $15. It's just less number.
Mhm.
Because
What is
see, who we
per
need this power, I mean per user, the $15, only developer. It's not require everybody.
mhm. What is $100 per month? That is the plan.
It is a enterprise. I mean, if you have more than 5,000 users, because
Mhm.
Power, I mean, Microsoft are always telling if you have more than 5,000 users for Power BI or Power Automate, whatever it is, you can go with enterprise license.
Hmm.
Otherwise, you can go with, I mean, per user plan.
So for 5,000 per person, that will be costly $100 per month, am I right?
Yes.
Mhm.
See, you need only one developer. Maybe in my company, I have only two developers. The two
Mhm.
developers can manage all the projects.
Okay. So that is for one system $15, but if you want to go for unlimited, you have to go for
Yes,
$100.
yes.
That is for multiple people can go for use on multiple system.
Correct.
Okay. And what is that $40 per month?
Okay. The Power Automate RPA is a kind of advanced techniques. Okay, maybe I can say, but still, even to be honest, we are also not very good familiar with this. What exactly the Power Automate RPA will do. So we are working only per user plan and per flow plan so far.
Okay.
But one
So
more plan is coming per premium user plan. I mean, $15 you are talking, right? One
mhm.
more plan is coming per premium user plan. I think it's a $20 per user. You can see more advances.
Okay. And what is the auto copilot and AI builder? So that is free of cost we can use or we have to pay for that?
Okay, the Copilot, when you have Microsoft 365 Dynamic, automatically that Copilot it's enabled. But you have to check with your IT team whether they are purchased this Copilot or not.
So anyone who want to start as a free, that is not possible.
No, see, okay. See, Microsoft 365 is a combo. Under 365, you can see Power Automate, Power BI, and Outlook, Word, MS Office,
Mhm.
Copilot. You have multiple things. It's a combo package.
Yes, so
Okay.
that is free of cost, not possible. Means suppose I want to start as like the Copilot and AI builder. So as a
Um,
person, as a user, free of cost possible or not?
no, the Copilot alone is $2,000.
Okay, so that cost
Because
is
okay, again, if you want to talk about the AI, because again we are doing some AI for my SOP. We have a number of SOP. So currently, what exactly people are doing? I will tell you the problem statement. We have we can take we have a number of SOP as I hope you have also a number of SOP. For one SOP we have 20 pages, 25 pages, almost some SOPs 40 pages. If you are giving one SOP to some user, they are reading. If they want to some information, they have to they have to do go by each page, then they will understand. Instead of that, we have built some AI, okay, using Copilot. Okay, what are the based on your searching, it will automatically you will get the informations using Copilot. So during the time only I understand Copilot is 20,000, $2,000 per user. So I'm working on the alternative tool, because nowadays DeepSeek they are giving open AI. I'm doing multiple things, not only with Copilot. I'm telling just to throw some insights about Copilot.
okay. So we are not completing the Copilot and AI builder in the class.
Okay. See, Copilot again is a version. Copilot have some limitation as well. So currently they have some challenges. Copilot will not read images, will not read Excel. They have some challenges. Still they are working on it. Power Automate is different. Copilot is different. Don't confuse. If you need more about Copilot, maybe I will take one more section. I don't have any problem.
Okay, means in the class we are not covering that topic.
Yeah, yes, correct. Because the 45 minutes, yes, whatever things, I'm done from my end.
Okay, so only we are covering these things for normal automation like that, your PDF, Excel, email,
yes,
all these things. Okay, and in
yes.
Power Automate we have any framework like that UiPath, we have a RE framework. So in Power Automate we have any type of framework.
Yeah, definitely. I will share with you. Maybe I will share with you AllPro trainings. Maybe you can touch with them.
No. So I'm asking, there is a like the standard format of the RE like the framework, or we have to create these things called custom framework using these things for any access.
Oh, okay. See, there are customized framework is available, but we don't know about your business problem, right?
No, I'm only asking these things. If you go for Java, if you go for .NET, if you go for Selenium, so in every particular programming language, we create these things to framework for your particular project. In UiPath also, we have
Yes, standard framework. Yes.
okay. So we can create from that
Yes,
department.
correct. That customized also Microsoft, they're working many of these your business problem.
Like Power Automate is always triggered after the operations, any trigger point. So is working on backend, not in the like a synchronous mode, correct?
Yes, so far.
Or can we use in synchronous mode like a workflow?
Okay, right now okay, I have not done any things. Maybe yes, maybe I check and come back.
No problem. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes,
Sorry. Thank you.
yes, no problem, no problem.
Sir, one question
I
from my
already
side.
messaged.
Yes,
I'm sorry,
Abdul.
sir. Sorry to disturb you. Last one. Sorry, disturb my friend. I just message in the chat. Please check it. Thank you.
Okay. We are a pharmaceutical company here in Saudi Arabia. We want to, implement this Power Automate in our manufacturing concern, and we are using SAP. Can you
Okay.
just tell how is this possible? Is there
Okay.
any connector or is there anything?
Yes. So we can do that. So we want to know you are using SAP HANA or SAP ECC.
No, we are SAP ECC EHP8.
Okay. See, ECC is a very old one. Okay. So I have implemented through Power BI SAP HANA, because SAP HANA have that connector. SAP ECC, I have to check. I have to check, Abdul. I'm sorry. I have to check it. Give me some time. Definitely, I will
It's
check.
fine. It's fine. Anyway, we are going to upgrade in coming quarter
Then okay.
to
Then if
HANA.
you
Yeah.
have HANA, definitely we can do it.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
So during the session, during the workshop, you also learned about the Power Automate integrate and migrate with the third-party applications.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. And thank you, everyone. I hope today you have learned at least little bit of the learning portal. Okay. So here, I hope you have many of the thoughts will go around the mind. I totally understand. So what are the question you have? You can please touch with AllPro Trainings. Then definitely I will touch with you in future as well, my dear friends. Okay. Then thank you so much. So have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you very much, sir. Please
Thank
ask your any other queries. Please ask this time.
So I have
classes,
2 minutes. I have to jump into
yes,
another
sir.
call.
Classes will be on weekend or weekdays, sir.
Maybe that you can touch with AllPro Trainings.
Okay.
Depends on your availability.